Ah. Isa may daog ka? Mana? Red. Busy kayo mo sa red ba? Oh, your face mask. No more token. Cover your mouth. And we're here at the food court. This is our brunch. My brunch. Ah, tatay. Favorite. Yun na tayo eat. Red. What is that? What are you eating? Japanese shumai. Is it delicious? Okay. Mine is there. Korean. What do you call that one? I'll try the kimbap and the tteokbokki. Cheesy tteokbokki. Still waiting for my order because they're still cooking it. Yun na tayo eat. Wow, you miss eating this one, oh. Agay. So this week, guys, I will not let Tatay work so that he can rest for the rest of this week. So I'm now here at PhilHealth with Tatay. So I'm paying my PhilHealth monthly. Before it's used to be 300 per month and now it's 400 per month. And Tatay is registering for his new PhilHealth. And we went to the senior citizens. So what the requirements is baptismal or birth certificate, since he is not born here in Bohol. So we have a hard time because we have no birth and baptismal. So what Tatay needs to do is ask someone to process there in Cotabato to get him a baptismal or birth certificate so that we can get a senior citizen card for him. So there is Tatay. So here is Tatay's PhilHealth ID. It's already laminated. It doesn't look like a senior citizen. So we only had PhilHealth today. Now no senior citizen. So Red, keep on telling Tatay, do you still have money? I want to buy some toys. Sige lang kag toys. You keep on buying toys. So after Tatay and Red played there, we will be going home. So there's the two of them playing.